The EU-Africa summit wrapped up in Brussels with plenty of talk of deepening relations between the two continents.
A very successful meeting. It will bring Europe and Africa much closer around a common agenda for the new millennium.
A broad action plan aimed at preventing migrant deaths was drawn up, along with a commitment to pursue existing climate change goals. But the big issue was trade.
A fundamental shift from aid to trade and investment as agents of growth and poverty reduction is taking place.
A shift in priorities echoed by African delegates.
We have committed ourselves on the need for transformation of African economy through investments in industry, agriculture and infrastructure, and through access to finance, markets and transfer of technology.
But an emergency meeting on the Central African Republic produced no new commitments to send soldiers or police, despite a warning by the UN that the situation continues to deteriorate. The United Nations is now trying to evacuate about 19,000 Muslims away from areas near the capital, Bangui. There were also no breakthroughs aimed at easing unrest in Somalia or South Sudan, which underscored a failure of the summit to address one of its key themes, to seek prosperity through greater security. Jack Barton, CCTV, Brussels.